Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to look at this. So this is the Hyundai i20 Coupe, and this is by Majorette, and this is from the WRC car series. So let's open and see how it looks. So here is the box. Let's keep it aside for a minute and have a look at the box here now. And as usual, the box is always empty. If you are wondering. Okay, let's keep this aside and let's get to the car. Okay, here it is. Okay, this looks really amazing. So specifically this WRC series is pretty cool. The paint job is on point, and the rims looks really nice, and the tires are made of rubber. So Majorette really nailed on this one. Spoiler is made of metal. It is not plastic. So this does have a suspension. This rolls really smooth and nice. So that's it for today guys. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.